Okay, here we are said that a bag contains total 9 discs, of which 4 are red, 3 are blue and 2 are yellow. We are also told that the discs are similar in shape and size. So the probability of picking up any of the disc is same. So probability of taking any one disc, right? It is simply 1 by 9. Fine. A disc is drawn at random from the bag. Okay. So now I have to calculate the probability that it will be red. So probability of taking any disc is 1 by 9. And there are 4 red discs. So probability of getting a red disc is simply 4 times of 1 by 9, which is equal to 4 by 9. Okay. The second part is probability that it will be a yellow disc. There are 2 yellow discs and probability of taking any disc is 1 by 9. So probability of getting a yellow disc is 2 into 1 by 9, which is 2 by 9. Similarly, the probability of taking a blue disc is 3 into 1 by 9, correct? Which is equal to 3 by 9, or I can simplify it as 1 by 3. Okay. And the fourth one is probability of not taking a blue disc. So probability of not taking a blue disc is equal to 1 minus probability of taking a blue disc. Fine. Which will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, which is 2 by 3. You can also calculate it by summing the probabilities of red and yellow discs, which will again come out as 2 by 3. But this is more easy to calculate because here I have to consider only one case, which is the probability of blue. But here I have to find the probability of red and yellow both. So this is an easy method. And the fifth one is probability of getting either red or yellow. So for this, probability of getting either red or yellow, this means that I have to take the union of these two sets. So, but I know that these two events are mutually exclusive. That is, if I get a red disc, I cannot get a yellow disc, and if I get a yellow disc, I can't get a red disc. So these two are mutually exclusive events. So I can simply write it as probability of red plus probability of yellow, correct? Which is equal to 4 by 9 plus 2 by 9, which is 2 by 3.